Hi, I'm Hudson O'Neill, driver of the Rocket Chassis House Club. Everyone here at Rocket Chassis and Rocket One Racing appreciate everything that Integra Racing Shocks and Kaiser Manufacturing does for us. Whether it's at the track or at the shop trying to make our race cars better, they're always one phone call away.
I'm Jay Cardy from Cardy Racing Components in Australia. We use Kaiser Manufacturing for their superior quality, excellent workmanship, reliable customer service.
Cadillac Chassis. We support Kaiser Manufacturing in all facets, shock springs, radiators. We use all their great products they manufacture in-house.
Hi, I'm Sam Mars from MB Customs Race Cars. We use Kaiser Manufacturing for their quality products and amazing customer service.